boys. We in the shop. It's in the shop. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh, they're in. Oh, they're in. Look. Oh, they're in. No way. I already put them on. That's crazy. What this side? Can't tell on this side. This side is stuck, I think. No way. Oh shit! Look. So this is the. These are the stock. Ah, look. Stock cats. It's already bolted on. Alright. Stock Y pipe. ISR Y pipe. It's crazy. Look at this. That's a difference. Look at this. Look at all this. Look at this. And then we got the resonators. Oh. So boys, so as you can see, the stock one is longer, and the Tomei is shorter. So we're adding. Well, you're supposed to do this because we're adding an extension pipe, so it could come out all the way. So extension pipe either right here, or they said the mechanic said we're gonna cut it, add the pipe, and weld that together so it could be as long as that. The test pipes and the headers are on. Damn. No, this is. I'm actually like, I'm so excited. You guys, I cannot tell you guys how excited. Like, bro, headers are in already. Okay. Yo, I can't wait. That's crazy. How many? I'll show you guys more, but. This Friday, me and Jay, all of us are gonna leave to LA, get tuned by Saul. Fire. Alright guys. So I've been awake since 27 hours. Yeah, I've been awake since yesterday, 8 a.m. Right now it's 12, almost 12, yeah. But yeah, it's been crazy. I mean, my whole car, they got it done. They got the headers done. The intakes were already there. The test pipes, and then they got the Y pipe done. Right now, they're welding the Tomei. Show you right now. So right now it's over there. Getting welded, waiting in the shop. Everything is done. That's the only thing they're about to weld it, and then I'll show you guys under beneath the car. It's all done. You see the first start with the single exit, full set, full bolt on set. Oh yeah. Nice.
go somewhere else, bro. Let's go. Nah, boys, we just pulled up. Alright, just what you guys seen, that's what I just heard. Oh my. Bro.
Nah.
Nah, this shit sounds fucking insane, bro. Bro! Nah! Bro!
That shit screams, bro!
Bro, what the fuck? Bro! What the... Yo!
Yeah, bro, this shit's crazy.
Bro!
And then back to normal.
Bro!
Bro, look, it's quiet as fuck.
Bro!
Tell me this is the best setup, bro.
What the...
That shit's insane.
Bro.
It's insane, bro. I can't. It screams, bro.
Holy
Let me go over there. Alright, 20
Bro! Yo! Oh, bro! Yo!
that's another, bro.
Bro!
Before I get the cops called at me, bro. Someone fucking up in the neighborhood.
Bro!
That's just sick, huh?
Bro!
Bro, it's insanely loud.
Hey, we got match. We matching, bro.
Hey, guys, hey, bro. Right here, bro.
Holy shit!
They did the magic. Fudge, bro. It's insane. Bro, it's like the best sounding. It's
Bro.
so nice.
Nah, I knew it was gonna be loud, but holy shit!
It's perfect.
Alright, explain the setup you got, bro.
Alright, you guys probably already seen it, the video.
Oh yeah.
But it's let me see. Headers, shorty headers, with resonated test pipes, ISR, white pipe, and then a single exit Tomei exhaust. Full bolt-on. Oh, and then Z1 Motorsport long tube intakes. Bro, you can hear my intakes hella with it too. I'm not like deadass.
Bro, I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even like paying attention to the intakes, bro. All I hear is
Nah, it sounds good.
Bro.
Insanely loud, bro. Hella loud.
holy shit.
Should we do one more?
Bro! What the fuck?
And we get it tuned Friday, baby. We get it tuned Friday.
What the
Oh,
fuck?
with the tunes. Okay, let's park up. I want to ask some questions. All right. Let me see. First, do you like it?
I fucking love it.
Bro, all right, how does it, bro, it sounds good, huh?
Bro, no, I actually fucking love how I'm not gonna lie, bro.
It screams,
Like,
bro.
I obviously knew it was gonna be loud, and I thought it would sound good. It's just, bro, I love the tone of it.
The tone is insane, that Tomei, bro.
That shit is fucking stupid loud, bro. I don't know, the video probably doesn't do it justice, but
No.
I love this shit, bro. That shit sounds so fucking good, bro.
Dude, I actually did it, bro. I'm full bolt-ons, bro. Full bolt-ons, baby. And getting tuned Friday. Yeesh.